How does smoking affect cells to cause lung SCC? Imagine your lungs as a busy city with many different types of cells working together. When someone smokes, they introduce a host of harmful substances into this city. These substances, called carcinogens, are like troublemakers that cause damage to the cells lining the airways. These cells are known as epithelial cells, and in the lungs, they include squamous cells which from the lining of the airways. When these cells are repeatedly exposed to cigarette smoke, they undergo changes that can lead to cancer. The first step involves the carcinogens in cigarette smoke causing direct damage to the DNA inside these cells. Think of DNA as the instruction manual for how cells grow and divide. When this manual gets damaged, mutations happen. These mutations can affect genes that control cell growth, like those that tell cells when to divide or die. Over time, these genetic errors accumulate, and the cells start to grow uncontrollably, a key feature of cancer. Smoking also activates certain molecular pathways inside the cells that promote cancer. For example, it triggers pathways like NF-kappa B, which is involved in inflammation and cell survival. It also increases proteins like cyclin D1 that push cells to divide faster than they should. This hyperproliferation leads to thickening of the airway lining and creates an environment where cancer can develop. Nicotine, the addictive substance in cigarettes, plays a role too. It binds to specific receptors called nicotinic acetylcholine receptors on lung cells. This binding sets off signals inside the cells, such as the MAPE pathway, which encourages the cells to grow and form new blood vessels. These new blood vessels supply nutrients to growing tumors, helping them expand and invade nearby tissues. Chronic inflammation is another major factor. Smoking causes the lungs to become inflamed, attracting immune cells that releases inflammatory chemicals like interleukin-1 beta and prostaglandins. While inflammation is part of the body's healing process, persistent inflammation can actually promote cancer by making the environment more favorable for tumor cells to invade surrounding tissues and evade immune defenses. Lung squamous cell carcinoma develops specifically from the squamous cells lining the airways. These cells are especially vulnerable to the damage caused by smoking. The more someone smokes, the higher their risk of developing this type of lung cancer. Interestingly, when people stop smoking, their risk gradually decreases, highlighting the importance of quitting. All these processes, DNA damage, abnormal signaling, inflammation, and immune suppression, work together to transform normal squamous cells into cancerous ones. The cancer cells then grow, invade nearby tissues, and can spread to other parts of the body. This progression underscores why smoking is such a powerful risk factor for lung squamous cell carcinoma. In summary, smoking damages lung cells at the genetic level, triggers harmful molecular pathways, causes chronic inflammation, and disrupts normal cell regulation. These effects combine to initiate and promote the development of lung squamous cell carcinoma. Quitting smoking can significantly reduce these risks, so if you're a smoker, seeking support to stop can be a vital step toward protecting your lung health. Always consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice and screening options.